Struggling to install Microsoft Office because you can't find the installer or the Microsoft Store just confuses you? In this video, I'll show you the official 2026 method to download and install Office step by step. No confusion, no guessing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Office installed exactly the way Microsoft intended. Step 1. Download Office Deployment Tool and configuration.xml. First, download the Office Deployment Tool from Microsoft's official site. Next, go to Microsoft's Configuration tool to create your configuration. Here, choose your Office version, edition, language, and apps you want. Click Export to get your configuration.xml file. Step 2. Extract Deployment Tool. Run the deployment.tool.exe you downloaded and choose a folder to extract the files. After extraction, you'll see setup.exe, the installer. Place your exported configuration.xml in this same folder. Step 3. Download Office files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and navigate to the folder with setup.exe and configuration.xml. Run this command to download Office files locally. This step downloads all necessary Office files silently. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Install Office. Once the download is complete, run this command in the same folder to install Office. This installs Office exactly according to your configuration. You'll see a progress window showing installation status. Step 5. Verify and activate. Open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint to check the installation. You'll need a valid license to activate. Either sign in with your Microsoft 365 account or enter a product key. And that's it. You've officially installed Microsoft Office in 2026 using the deployment tool. Safe, official, and step-by-step. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment which Office app you use most. All official resources are linked in the description to follow along.